Come back now. According to figures from Revenue themselves, more than a quarter of taxpayers may be due a refund, with the average pay-as-you-earn worker overpaying 900 quid a year.
And here to help us get that money back is tax advisor Mairead O'Driscoll. Good morning.
Hi, Mairead.
Mairead, how are you?
Good.
Let's get into this straight away. So Revenue are even saying, there's that money out there that needs to be claimed back.
Yeah.
Why are we so bad at claiming this back?
Oh, people are just what I found is people are either daunted by the Revenue website. I don't know what fear has been instilled in Irish people, but people seem to be afraid of the taxman, or else they don't know how to go about doing it. So that kind of turns you off if you don't know how to do it. You're like, oh, it just sounds too complicated. But Revenue, as you said, are pushing people to claim their tax back. Like, they're actually sending out letters to encourage people to do it.
How much on average are people getting back?
So it ranges per person to person, but like, people you can get 800 to 900 is average. I've had people get £5,000 back in tax. I've had people get less than that. It just depends on your personal circumstances.
But by just filling in a form, you could get 800 or 900 euro
could
back.
you be found to have underpaid tax?
That is a possibility, right? But when you're an employee, that's unlikely.
Okay.
Because your employer looks after your taxes. The only reason you might owe tax is if you're on, for some reason, a social welfare payment. But it's OK, because Revenue would split that over a number of years if you owe.
OK, right.
Yeah. So if your average person is watching this morning before they head into work or whatever, or they're in work or they're watching us, or they're at home working, they're more than likely have overpaid in their tax.
Yeah.
And there's something due back to them.
Yeah. Exactly.
OK, so what would be the first steps then?
So to claim your tax back, you have to file a tax return. OK, so as employees, you don't have to do that, but to claim the tax back, you have to. So it's very easy. You log on to your My Account on ROS, and
this is Revenue Online. We're showing it here now.
Yes, exactly. Revenue Online, and you select Manage My Tax for the last 4 years. You can claim back for the last 4 years if you haven't done so before. Okay. So you select the year you want to do, and you select under your preliminary year event statement, you select Start. OK, so you start your tax return. There's 5 sections in your tax return that you can kind of click through most of them. So section 1 is just your personal details. So that's just going to be your PPS number, your date of birth, etc., and your bank details. You need to make sure it's your bank details in there actually, and not a tax back company. Yeah, because they'll get the refund.
Gotcha.
The next part then is you have your PAYE income. That'll automatically be there. It'll show what you earned in the year. So skip through. And then section 3 is if you had any non-PAYE income. So if you had any side hustle or income outside of your employment, you'd include that in there. So what's commonly in there is social welfare payments. Okay. So just make sure, and then move on to section 4, which is the tax credits and reliefs.
Which
so
is
for
just
health expenses. Yeah, for example, health expenses, you put in the amount of your health expense.
So if you went to the doctor.
Yeah, if you went to the doctor, it cost you €100. You pop in the €100. Or if you had any non-routine dental, you'd put that in as well, and you'll get 20% of the tax back. You just select Add, and then when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see it there. And then when you're happy, you've claimed all the tax credits that you want, you select Confirm All, and section 5 is just declaring it. So
that's it.
That's it.
And you have to have your receipts.
You have to have your receipts.
See, I suppose for a lot of people who're just saying, I work in this company, I pay me tax, I do all that, sure, everything is grand, it's all sorted.
Yeah.
And they just feel, oh, well, it's all done. Like, you know, but they don't realise I've been to the doctor 4 times this year, I've done that.
Yeah.
And I can claim all this back.
Yeah, and the Revenue are encouraging people to do it. And honestly, the money goes into your account within 3 days.
Is this just for PAYE workers? If you're not a PAYE worker, do you have to do it in a different way?
Yes. When you're self-employed, you have to file what's called a Form 11 tax return, and there's different deadlines for that. But you're still entitled to all those tax credits and reliefs.
Yes.
So you still can get tax back on health expenses.
Yes. So for the PAYE worker, what else? We're looking at, like, OK, you can claim back your doctor's visits. What else can you claim for? Is it if you're at home, if you're working from home allowances?
Yes, there's working from home relief. So if you have to work from home for a certain period of days, you're entitled to tax back on the cost of your light and heat for the year and the cost of your broadband for the year.
OK.
So you get 30% of the cost back.
Should the company not be paying that?
So the company can, and if they do, then you can't claim this.
Yes, obviously.
But some
if you're just sort of
most
going,
companies
I'm
don't.
working from home for 2 days.
Yeah.
So we're just showing you here, this is the working from home.
All you need to do is put in the total cost of your light and heat for the year, the total cost of your broadband, and then you need to put in the number of days you worked from home. Yeah. So it's apportioned by that, and that's it. And you select Add. And then you'll get...
So they will work it out then?
They work it out for you.
Oh, right,
all you need to do, you just put in the total cost of your broadband.
So you say, my electric bill cost 5,000, this cost that, and I worked from home for 22 days. Yeah. And they'll look at it and go, OK, you're due this amount on that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Electricity, phone bill, all these sort of things that would be considered as part of work.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Now, people could be sitting there going, I can put a fast one on this. They'll find out, right? Revenue are good.
They are. Look, you need to have your receipts and you need to hold on to them for 6 years as well. So it's just get into the habit of keeping your receipts and tracking your receipts.
Yeah. They can do an audit. They can go, I want to do an audit
They can,
at any time.
absolutely.
Yeah.
But if you're entitled to claim it.
Is there a time limit on claiming?
Yes. You can only claim for the last 4 years. So you can,
4, that's fine.
Four is good, but I've had a load of people who never knew this and they're working their whole lives and they can only go back 4 years.
Yeah.
So if you get into the habit of doing this every year, you know, it's the best because you'd be surprised the 4 years does actually go quite quickly. Or I had a friend, she got Invisalign back in 21, she kept meaning to claim it and she missed it in 21 now. So.